Guys, I'm heading to my land. I'll be molding block over there. Last time I buy a tipper of sand, and this time I'm gonna buy a cement and then take the cement to my land, and then they'll be molding blocks. There are workers already on my construction site, so I'll be buying cement and take the cement to the construction site. I will just buy 10 bags of cement, but first I will just buy 5 bags of cement and carry that one, and then come and buy another 5 bags of cement. So guys, currently right now I'm in Briama, so let me just turn the camera and then drive and show you guys how it looks here. Anyways, viewers, wow, Briama, and then the traffic is somehow congested over here, so you guys can see. Guys, this is the street market of Briama. Guys, this is how the street market of Briama looks. I don't know whether you guys are getting me loud and clear. And then guys, I also guys, this is the Briama market. So guys, one of the workers at my construction site told me that when I'm coming, let me buy a bucket so that they'll be using the bucket to carry water. So I'm heading to buy a bucket. I don't know how much it will cost. Let me just place the camera here till I come back. So guys, this is the bucket I just buy right now. I buy this bucket for $100, which is like $1 and some cents. Yep, so I'm heading to buy a cement, but first, as I said earlier, I'll buy 5 bags of cement and then later add another 5 bags of cement, yeah, to make it 10. So I just want to mold 10 bags of cement today, just for today. Yep. And then if you want to support your boy, you are highly welcome. Yep. And then guys, there is this petrol station called Jar Oil. That's where I'm going to buy cement, because their cement is cost $415, and then other shops like they sell it for $470, others sell it for $500. So I'm going for the cheap one, and then it is good too. Yep, some of the retailers, they go to Jar Oil and then buy cement and then resell it again. So that's where I'm heading to buy a cement and then take it to my construction site. So guys, let me just place the camera here so that I'll be able to capture. So guys, this is the petrol station I'm talking about, called Jar Oil. As you guys can see, cement. So guys, let me just buy the cement and let me just bring out the money and buy the cement and then continue on my journey. Guys, I just changed my mind. Before buying 5 bags of cement at once, I will buy 10 bags of cement. There's this tricycle guys I already talked to, who will be taking it to my place. Guys, this is the 10 bag on this tricycle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then they give me a receipt. So that is the guy who will be taking it. He will be following my car. Guys, the guy will be behind me following my car. Yep. So let me just turn the camera again and then show you how it looks here and show you how the real life looks here. Yep, I won't be talking that much because I'll be driving too. Anyways, viewers, guys, I just arrived at my construction site. Yeah, this place is an estate. Yeah, I bought this land from an real estate company, and those are my workers over there. Yeah, my land is over there. They are waiting for me. The tricycle guy is in a hurry. He is really in a hurry. I parked my car over there. He just offloaded. So guys, I just settled the tricycle guy. Huh? Okay. I'm in Barade. Boss. In Barade. Gio. Barigo. Barigo mo moto kono. Ha. Sila. Sila di Barade. Di Bara. Kanande. Sala mana mo kula kanande.
Dawani wallahi. Salam alaikum. Bara.
Patarande.
Alhamdulillah. Ke ina tabi.
Na bi.
Sai jiko wanga ganyari sai.
Jio ni nyindi amudela kama salande.
Ika kodo senama.
Ngakoro kiya la fa birin kunu.
Kabiri kunu ika kodo.
Birin kunu ngakoro kiya.
Sa ndefana ka dogo kele sa ambe ka dogo ka ji selen sai.
Ah sai ka selen.
Atelo ka yusi nyadi.
Ngana bloko doro na kosi.
Komi ji akaji ji na chinyadi.
No bariko bi jana ma bariko na ngondo ne. Ha ngo bula moto ko na jana. Yeah.
Inshallah problem.
Okay, Alex. Bila ngala time always lere. So guys, the thing is like that guy over there, he's my neighbor. He's also doing a construction over here, and then the thing is like water here is a problem. So there is this guy who have a borehole here. I spoke to the guy yesterday about water, and then the guy told me that if I supposed to have access to his water, so I supposed to pay $700, which is like almost $80. So I'll be using the water the whole day, no matter what. Yep. And that's the borehole over there, so you guys can see. And that of my neighbor, I show you guys. I don't know whether the camera capture him. My neighbor also tells me that I went to the borehole guy for water, but he said that Prince Seka already booked for the water. So he's like, can you give me an access to use it along with you? I'm like, okay, no worries. And then he tell me that, how much will I give you? And then I just tell him that just divide 700 by 2, which will be 350. And I just tell him, don't worry, just give me 300. And there's a barrel inside here where I will be putting the water. Oh, I even forgot that I like this car. I bring this barrel and these two. I bring this big barrel and these two small ones. Guys, this is the barrel I bring. This barrel, it is given to me by a friend last night. And then I buy this small one at Briama. Yeah, this small one. Guys, that's the borehole guy behind me. I'm just done from speaking to him, telling him that my workers are ready to use the water. So he will also lend me a hose pipe, which he's using over there. Yeah, he also lent me a hose pipe. Those are my workers over there, mixing sand with cement for molding a block. So I don't know what did you want. Huh? no jobi na ka aba sala ndikal na diam da pipe ko fa na guys, we are going to fetch water at the borehole. So this is the barrels we'll be using, and then the big barrel is standing over there, the one I bring along with me. Alex, ni na bore be di amukan funoro. Yeah, last time mu nara nunjang. Ana ko do jogo.
Kani pro. Last time ni bidon wol be bida 23 bidon. Mo be sama. Ni mo ngo use nga 10 bulo. Nga bidon 10 bulo. Ba siya.
Okay. Ero pusus do habla, wala tere yara wo. Pusus ni. Alex da. Jato la mal.
Koma.
You know time always. Tell me one thing.
Billah.
Ani ñim bari gol ni ñi fengal. Well, for that time always. Ya lu follow. So
first day job for.
First day job. I think wa gara after si kana dali system o ñina.
Yeah. Bula nga ñim follow sama do mon do.
Ndey kadan la ñara do ni fa kayande. So guys, my workers start molding blocks. So let me just go there and show you guys. Bari ñu mabra ba ñu bloco ma. Ñi.
Parari.
Okay.
Ya ya bulo ko nya.
Mulo. Usa bo ñu na.
Wori me fa la bulo kende.
Ya mbaru.
Bulo ko be ñi ñaari ñam ba bi ñi ñande la wal ñam.
Last time ko do gagné mulo ranu ñam ya haftan ko yodo. Ni waga redo fa nam pare.
Ko ba ke tuti.
Guys, this is what is going on here. Yep. If you want to support your boy, you are highly welcome. Even 1 bag of cement, I will appreciate it. 2 bags, I will appreciate it. Yep. Guys, my workers are almost done. Yep. They are almost done molding blocks. This is how it looks. Only 2 bags is remaining. This other one, they even start that one, and this is the only one remaining. Yawari. Ateda. Guys, we are almost done. Guys, these are the blocks. Huh? Ninja. Guys, finally. Guys, finally. This is how far the 10 bag of cement have gone. This is how far the 10 bag of cement have gone. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you. This is all I have for you in today's video here on my construction site. Yeah, I'm out. Peace. See you in the next video. Love you all.